Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word aft. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The boat was moving too quickly for him to catch up, so he jumped on board at the aft end. Aft refers to the rear part of a ship or aircraft, typically behind the midpoint or toward the back. It is the opposite of fore or forward. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.